Hello, my name's Kerry and I'm a member of the MrBruff.com writing team. Today I'm going to talk about square brackets. We're going to look at a grade 9 example of quoting, and I'd like to thank Erin for giving me permission to use her work. Erin quotes from this part of Macbeth, which is when Macbeth is talking to the dagger that he sees before him. Come, let me clutch thee, I have thee not, and yet I see thee still. We use a square bracket when we're adding or changing letters from a quotation, or when we're adding our own words. Let's look at this example. Erin writes, during the same soliloquy, Macbeth states that he has thee not, yet he sees thee still, after attempting to clutch the dagger. First of all the quotations have been embedded or dropped into Erin's sentence. You could delete the quotation marks and it would make sense by itself. Now let's look at the changes that she made. She changed I have to he has, and she's dropped the VE here and replaced these letters with an S, and the square brackets show this. She's changed I see to he sees. Now she's dropped the word I and changed it to he, so that's why we have the square brackets. And you can't say he see, so she has to add the S here for it to make sense grammatically, and that's why we have the square brackets. One word of caution, you don't use square brackets with every single quotation. Choose your moments wisely. You only need to do this once and accurately to increase your chances of accessing the higher grades. I hope that you found this video useful. If you'd like to buy a copy of Mr. Bruff's Guide to Grammar, I've put the link in the description below. In the meantime, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.